Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a sync between you and the camera with the lock on feature on CapCut. So here I've already added a video of someone dancing, and I want to make the camera and also the person in this video sync by using the lock on feature. So what you need to do is click on a clip, and at the toolbar at the bottom find the lock on feature, click on that, and then after that select the subject, whether it's face, body or hand. I'm going to use body, and also I'm going to try hand, and then after that click on start. Then the lock on feature or effect will be applied to your clips. You can just wait until the result is finished. Okay, it's nearly done, and it's done, and you can see the result by playing your video. Okay, so this is the final result. You can always change the lock feature. You can also change it into face, for example, or body. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe and click on thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.